In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Bachira in Blue Lock Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can acquire Bachira and use him in Blue Lock Rivals. Sadly, I'm not gonna be able to show gameplay with the character, but I'm still gonna give you instructions on how it works. So, to actually get him, you go over to Styles before joining a game, and in here you can do spins. So you will be able to get Bachira in two ways. You can get normal Bachira as a 10% chance, so every time that you spin, you have roughly 10% chance of getting Bachira. Or you can also get NEL Bachira as a mythic drop, but this one is incredibly rare. As you can see here, it is only a 0.083% chance. After you acquire him, he is going to go over to one of these two slots, and then you can choose to equip him. You also have the lucky odds, which are going to significantly improve your chances of getting them. So after you spin, if you get Bachira, you will be able to equip him here at the left and use him. As you can see, I have a legendary one, and I don't have many spins, nor do I have extra slots, so this is why I don't want to spin again to try and get Bachira. But after you do, you will be able to go inside of the game, so you click play when you have Bachira equipped, and you can see the moveset. Just like all characters, they are going to have a custom one with their abilities, and you can use them. Like I said before, I apologize for not being able to show actual gameplay with the character, but because I don't have extra slots here at the moment, I won't be able to demonstrate this easily. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, it would highly support the channel. So I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.